guys, in this state here. Today we're going to be doing ringtones and wallpapers on my Samsung Contour 2. Erica, you might like this one. Let me focus on the screen. We will go to settings. Hang on, that's not completely focused. About that, that's good. How do I do it? Okay, I figured it out. It's this one here. I kind of skipped too soon on this one. Oh, that's a pretty nice one. Of course, you have no ringtone. Pull my hand off. But we're not done yet. No. So look at the wallpapers this phone has. There you have wallpaper 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, give me a sec. Just otherwise, let me just do a closer view. There's one. Here's your second one. There's your third one. There's your fourth one. And there's your fifth one. And of course, you do have the same for the front. Here's the fourth one, which is, you know what? They're different, but you can give different images for it. There. At home. This is the wallpaper currently. I changed it. And there's the one we changed it to. So, okay. Let's shut her down. If I didn't say, rubber keypad with white backlight, volume key, micro USB charging port, nothing on the bottom. There's a little hole there to open the back plate with. Have your camera button, 3.5mm headphone jack, your camera, front display, which looks hidden right now, and your Samsung logo. The top, you do have your little string thing right here. On the back, you have your speaker and your Samsung logo. Alright, this was the ringtone wallpaper and short little tour of the Samsung Contour 2. Share the video with people you know who like this type of content. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. I upload new videos every 1 to 3 days. We are at 317 subscribers. We're getting there. Like the videos to get both of my videos and channel more recognition. Peace out. Keep in mind, Erica, I'm going to tag you in this video.